Now we're coming back and we're dropping in all these panels, which is very easy to do. They're the same size as the typical panels that you drop in. You just pop these up, drop these in, put the panel over the top of it. So this makes a huge difference when it comes to transforming a room.
In Donnystown in Ireland, he grew up playing a sport called hurling.
I have no idea how hurling works.
I thought it'd be nice to take Jason and Donnie nearby for some lessons and maybe a friendly competition.
So, Dave, I absolutely have no clue anything about this sport. You sort of look like axe handles that you lost the top to.
Or you're in a canoe, you could paddle yourself home. Maybe.
Yeah.
Hurling, I think, is a cross between lacrosse and hockey or something like that. I have no idea.
Ice hockey and field hockey came directly from hurling. The big thing is you can also run with this on your stick full speed. And you can only have the ball in your hand for more than 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's just really cool to experience a sport you've never even heard of.
Dave's going to show us how to rise a ball off the ground, and now you're going to do a jab lift. He's going to run into it as though he's in a game situation, right into his hand. You have to take care of your fingers.
Really cool game. You better be in good shape if you're going to play it. Guys like me, don't play hurling. All right, which side do you want to go on here? Jason got 52 feet down. Oh. You know, Jason, whenever he does something, he does it 100 miles an hour. Oh! Not like he scores a lot of points, but he did really good. Nice block. Jace, you just can't win in any sport we play.
I'm playing with steel-toe boots on here.
So am I.
Yeah, you're standing there. What are you talking about?
He impressed me a little bit. I mean, I don't know what he's done over the last couple of months, but I see a little bit of athleticism. A little bit. This is a good game. I like this game.
All right, Jason, here we go. Try and hit all the way.
Come on, Jace.
Yeah.
Nice. You know, I tell guys, if you didn't grow up playing hurling, you'll never pick it up. These two guys went out in the field. They knew how to do it. They picked it up. Great hand-eye coordination. I was impressed.
Oh.
Well done. Oh, nice.
Got to come out of the goal a little bit.
Here comes trouble.
Hold on. I got to tighten the belt.
Little technical difficulties.
Nice.
There's 3.
All right, Myers.
There you go, Bree. Nice. There's it. Yeah, baby. Woo. Coming back.
There you go, Tone. That's it. Help him out, guys. There you go. Dylan, on it.
Back.
Tone, you get the assist on that one.
Come on. It's fast-paced. A lot more than I thought it would be. And I'm playing in steel-toe boots, so as nimble as I'd like to be. It's awesome, though. Cool game.
You got lucky.
Hey, your first try, you got it over there.
Not bad for first time playing, huh?
Nice job.
You were not kidding about a full motion game, man. I mean, that's like non-stop action.
See what you got.
See, it would be
my kind of sport right here.
See, it's already, you're already using it.
Let's go.
Crew's going to be
Let's
nervous.
go walk on the highway with these things. Let's see what they say. Take care, everybody. Good
Thanks,
job.
guys.
Come on, Donnie. Let's
Come on,
go.
Donnie, let's
Thanks,
go.
buddy.
Thank you very much, guys.
Well,